Thanks for joining us today. We have another 10-minute strength-based workout for you to follow along at home. I'm Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of BeneFitness. I've been a personal trainer for 20 years. This is Kori Boggs. She's been a personal trainer and a chef for 5 years. At this channel, we do workouts. We do nutritional tips and tricks that you can do at home. So thanks for joining us today. Let's jump right into that workout.
All right, in this 10-minute circuit, we are going to have 3 strength-based movements. 50 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, 3 times through. It's only 10 minutes. First exercise is a split squat to a lunge. So you're gonna split squat for 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand tall, back down. 1, 2, 3. Stand tall. We'll switch at 25 seconds. Exercise number 2 is we're gonna do a good morning hinge. So you're gonna hinge back, drive your hips forward, come up to a step, up to a stand, back down to a squat. Right back down. Hinge back. As you hinge forward, engage your glutes. Step back up, squat position to a stand. That's exercise 2. Exercise 3 is a curtsy touchdown. You're gonna step slightly back behind, tap that toe, come up to a balance. Behind, tap your toe, sit low. 25 on one side, 25 on the other. 3 times through. Let's work those legs today. Nice lower body workout.
Let's do it, little one.
Come on.
Let's do it. Yeah.
All right, let's all put our right foot forward, right foot forward. Get ready. 2, 1, and pulse for 1, 2, 3, to a stand. Back up. 1, 2, 3, full standing. Knee up. Load up that leg. 3, and full standing. 1, 2, 3, full standing. Good. Sit low. 2, 3, full standing. Get that knee almost touching the ground. Last 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2. I know I was speeding it up.
Getting all crazy over here.
I know.
What's that all about?
Jump around a little bit. Good. Really focus on your stability of that planted leg. Drive that knee up. 1. Get low, get low. That knee should be grazing the ground. 1, 2, 3. Our little girl wants to talk with us. She wants to say 1.
She's joining
2,
in.
3. Stand.
Whew.
All right, get down on those knees. So you're gonna reach your butt back, your chest falls, so your butt touches those heels. Thrust your hips forward, then you're gonna step up from there, okay? Thrust your hips forward, stay low, stand up, and then
Whoop.
squat back down. Put that knee back down.
Getting ahead of myself.
Hips back, thrust forward, stay low, stand, squat, back down. Good. Hips back, hips forward, stay low in that squat, and then stand, back down. Good, you guys. Hips back, thrust, squeeze those glutes, stand.
There's a lot going on with this one.
I know, we're working our glutes.
Just follow along with us.
Hips forward,
Follow Kori.
squat, stand, sit back down. Good, we're working a lot of our legs right now. Working on our hip hinge, working on our squat. Yes, squat back down. We got 1 more. Hips back, let's finish it. Even though the timer's, stand on up. Woo, all right, let's again work our left leg first. Our right leg first, right leg's planted. You're gonna do your curtsy, you're gonna touch with your left hand. Step behind, touch that toe all the way up. If you can, try to come again to a balance. That balance position can be challenging because you have to stay focused on your foot placement, your glute engagement. Woo, I just lost mine. Get low. Your other knee should be right behind your front foot. So that knee basically grazes your right heel. Last 1. Okay, switch. So now your right heel knee is gonna graze your left heel. That knee should almost touch that left heel. Get low. Good. Down and up. Nice focus, nice form. If you have weights around, you're welcome to grab weights. Do this too. We're just focused on body weight strength today. Good, all right. Back to our split squats. Right leg forward. Split squat to lunge. So you're gonna pulse for 3. Get ready and go. 1, 2, 3, full standing. 1, 2, 3, and stand. If you feel so much, I don't know what word I'm trying to say, but if you want to make it harder for yourself,
If you're not feeling it,
you can do 3 little jumps. stand, 3 little jumps. 1, 2, 3, that's up to you. We'll give me one more, come on. 1, 2, 3, and switch. Brad did it this time. I thought last time I shouldn't do it.
I was hoping we were gonna do it in unison.
Third time's the charm, Brad.
Okay, we'll see.
1, 2, 3, and stand. 1, 2, 3. Load up that front leg. Make sure that your heel's pushed into the ground. Your weight's not shifting to your front toe. Last one, give me one more. We can do it. Even if the timer beeps, finish it out. Woo, good. On your knees. Follow along, because this one's a little confusing. Brad's got baby knees. He needs a pillow. I'm just kidding. Hips back, hips forward. Squat, stay low, and stand. Squat, knees down, hips back. Thrust those hips forward, and stand back down. Alternate which knee you put down first. Hips back, hips forward, and stand. What a talker she is.
She's growing. It's
Takes
crazy.
after her father.
Hey.
Nothing wrong with being a talker.
That's right.
Good, hips back, hips forward. Stay low in that squat. Stand, back down, knees down, hips back, hips forward. Stay low, and stand. Good, you guys. 5 seconds. Last one, hips back, hips forward. Stay low, and stand. Curtsy touchdowns, right leg first. Make sure, I'm gonna come to the side, this back knee, when it comes down, it's like loaded right behind that knee, or that heel, okay? Not too far. Good, right leg. Good, and up. Curtsy it, touch, and up, touch, and up. Sit low, get that knee close to the ground. Good. We're hinging back. Give me a few more and we're switching legs. Good, good. All right, switch, left leg. Same thing. Good.
Whew. Losing my balance.
Got to stay focused on your foot placement. Squeezing your glutes as that knee drives up. Good. Breathe through it. I watch Brad and I get wobbly. Let's go, you guys. We have 2, 1. All right, one more round. Right leg first, right leg. 3 split squats to your lunge. So get low in that pulse. Knee close to the ground. 2, 3, knee up. 1, 2, 3, knee up. Again, you want to make it more difficult. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. It's up to you. Or just stay focused on your movement. Couple more. 2, 3, and knee up. Last one, and we're switching. And switch. Yeah, buddy. We did it. 3rd time's a charm. Up. Get that knee close to the ground. Almost there. It's your last time at this exercise. 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 3 more seconds. Yes, okay, on your knees. Remember, really focus on that full hip extension here. When you're tall, kneeling, make sure your glutes are squeezed. Ready? And hips back, hips forward. Stay low in that squat. Stand and squat. Then put those knees down. Make sure you squat before you put those knees down. We're not just coming to our knees here. We're squatting, then we're coming down to our knees. Forward, good. She wants to teach you guys how to do this.
She's saying it.
Someday. Come on.
If you've taken our earlier classes, you know Kori taught class until the day before she gave birth, so she knows how to do it.
Yep, she'll be a pro.
She'll be a pro.
Come on, almost there, you guys. Stay low in that squat right here, low, and then put those knees down. Hips back, hips forward. Don't forget the hip thrust. All right, right leg forward for our curtsy touchdowns. Right leg forward. Those legs should be feeling it a little bit.
They are.
Right leg forward, get back, touch that toe to a knee drive. Make sure that knee is right behind your front heel. Good. Back and up, down and up. We've got it. Nice. And work. Get that knee down. Good. Come on, keep it up. Give me one more after this. And switch. Come on, Brad, get that knee straight behind that heel. Make sure we're not going too far out that way. That's gonna put too much pressure on that knee. That this back knee just comes right behind the heel. Right behind the heel. 10 seconds. Good, 8. Get low. And 3, 2, 1. And shake it out. Whew, great job on those legs today. We burned them out.
Good job.
Nice job. Thanks for working out with us today. Hopefully you had a great one. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. We love to hear feedback. We're always trying to come up with new, fresh things. So we really look forward to working out with you next time.